Let's take a look at this truck. 1951 Ford F1, done up to look like a patinaed kind of shop truck from back in the day. Pretty cool looking truck. This particular truck is powered by a flathead underneath the hood. That's paired with a manual transmission. Shifter on the column, so 3 on the tree if you will. Runs smooth. If you want to check out the interior and the underside of this truck, give the pictures the once over. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video there's a link. You can click on that. That's going to take you right there. Of course, our number 507-386-1726. I'm going to get up in this paint on the top so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. It's a flat finish, made to look like it's aged. The front bumper just kind of painted with wear. It's kind of that, pulled it out of the shop and used it, or maybe it was one in the Grove and you got her going for your shop. That's kind of the look they're going after this. Harold's Radiator Shop. Interesting little saying on the side of the door there. Made to look like an old Phillips 66 station had it, with a little radiator shop on the side. As you can see, it's riding on Boss wheels. Give this truck a real nice look. And it's kind of almost like a flat army green, forest green, I guess, as far as trying to describe the color. And again, you can check that all out in the still pictures. Got dual exhaust coming out the back. Truck sounds great. Wood bed put in it, but of course to follow along with the rest of the truck, just good quality wood, but not finished with lacquer, stain, or anything like that. Don't want it to look too fancy in your shop truck. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we'd be happy to assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at. Tailgate and everything functional on it. Like I said, powered by a flathead V8 underneath the hood. Manual shift on the column. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is the website. Down below this video, you can click on the link. That'll take you there. Go ahead and check out the interior. Also kind of kept that stock look to it. A little fancier finish on the inside. A little more of a luster to it. Although a stock looking dash with aftermarket gauges down there. Nice black vinyl seat in it, rubber flooring. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up too. I have it in neutral. See how easily it starts. Nice running little truck. Does have blinkers set up on it. Headlights, taillights. Like I said, nice sound back here. They got the downspouts out behind each wheel. Listen to that. Great sounding flatty underneath there. I also have the kind of driving lights on. I was going to show you that too there on the bumper up here. Those are switched on. Show you that. Now I'm going to pause this video a second. I want to pop the hood so you can see underneath the hood. We'll take a look under there too. Alright, so here's the flatty. Actually pretty nice and tidy underneath here. On the side so you can see it. A little tougher. The hood doesn't go up too far in these. Single carb on top of that manifold. See how smooth it runs. Nice and quiet underneath the hood, but a great sound coming off the rear exhaust. So there you have it, 1951 Ford F1, kind of done up as a patinaed shop truck street rod. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is the website. Down below this video, click on the link. That's going to take you right there. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we'll sure assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at. Give us a call.